Welcome back to the workbench. I have got a completely different thing on the bench today. It is a Russian Sherp all-terrain vehicle, alloy, metal disc, car model, sound, light, collection, hobby, dioramas, and it's supposed to be in a white box. Well, it's in a white box, but it's not quite the box I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. And what I thought we would do in this video is take a look at this
$19
boy and compare it against what AliExpress says it's all about. I have not opened it yet, so you're going to be as surprised as I am. Alright, here we go. I have my pointer. Oh, it is in a box. Now we're talking. I got it. Look at that. That is humongous for scale. The MN99S. So, there's the bottom. It's got a battery in there. Well crafted with cultural inheritance. I mean, quality. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at this. We have something to look at. These are all the different models that they make. Okay. Here it is. Oh, it is a metal. Yeah, I thought this would be plastic, but it's not. It really is die-cast metal on the outside. Isn't that interesting? So alloy metal. Alloy material. Yes, check. Lights and sound effect. Alright, well, does it have lights and sound effect? Lights. So far, no lights. I don't see a little thing in there. Alright, let's get the battery out and see. No batteries. Batteries are not included. How can that be? How can that be? These are LR44s. Yeah. I got lucky. I have batteries. What's going on? Of course, it probably says in there that it doesn't include the batteries. All right, here we go. Light. Lights. We got lights. Wow. Sound. Sounds fast. All right. We have sound. Return function. I don't know what that means. 3 doors can operate. All right, so we have, this looks like a door. This looks like a window or a door. Look at that. That door operates. This door operates. Where's the other door at? Oh, maybe this door up here in the top. We have 3 door operate. Windows can be opened and closed. Look at that. Windows open and closed. Nice. Third gear switch. This is what made me buy this, the third gear switch. First gear is off. Second gear is lights. Second gear. Third gear is noise. Oh, you got to push down on the front. Four-wheel suspension. So, yeah, we got suspension-y. Little springs going up now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that suspension. See-through large skylight. Yeah, right there. The proportions of this car are real. I have no idea. No idea. The proportions of the car are real. Rear pullback force will go as soon as it's pulled. Physical drive without electricity. No electricity can run. Look at the speed, the agility. Well, I don't think the Sherp is a really fast anyway. All right, it's got it. It's got the speed. It says with 3 batteries. I didn't get the batteries. I didn't get the batteries. No, I didn't get the batteries, but I got the box. No batteries. All right, so that is this truck. So what are we going to do with this? What do you think we should do? Let me know in the comments what you think we should do with this. I have some ideas of what we can do with this. Let's take it apart so that we can all see what's inside, so that we can start planning what we want to do with this great little truck. I mean, it's not bad. It's not a bad build. It's solid. It's not plastic. Thing will last a while. I don't know if it's quite Honka tough, but it's pretty tough, I would say. Okay, we've got an interior. There. Oh my goodness, look at what's inside of this thing. We have a gearbox. We have a gearbox. We have lights, which they cross. That's interesting. Oh, it goes like this. Okay. We have lights. We have the speaker. We have whatever this thing is. This is the control. Oh, this is probably what the sound comes out. Makes the sound. The suspension are little springs. It's actually different than I thought. Thought this would have been like the Matchbox cars, where it just had one spring across, but it does not. So there is plenty of room for stuff in here. Oh, and it has these to make it heavier. Isn't that interesting? I don't think these are magnets, but they are metal pieces to give it some heft. Give it some weight. All right, well, let me know what you think we should do with this great little Russian Sherp or Sherpa or whatever we want to call it. And yeah, let me know what you think we should do in the comments down below. I have some ideas of what I want to do with it, but I'm going to wait a month or so before I get started on this project because I've got other projects to do. But yeah, it'll get me to think about what I want to do with this thing. So yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I tried to enjoy it. And yeah, I think overall, for the toy that it is, if you want something with lights or sound, not lights and sound, and a truck that you think your kid will like for a while, I think it'll last quite a while. I don't know how long the spring will last, but I think the truck will last a while. It is a nice quality toy. I'll have a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Have fun.